Yeah. Oh, I feel some more. It's how I drink the real truth. Yeah.
Never let it.
God. It is well.
Kimaga, you. This is the real truth.
Yeah, hi. Sabata here. Minister. Today, about today. Today, I talk about existence.
Yeah, like the ability to realize.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, the ability to realize this. To realize you have been going through a lot of things. Just going through them, going through things. Here you are.
Yeah.
You never really thought about it. Or you are existent. There is existence.
Existence, it's just like the ability to realize that you are part of the whole thing which you don't understand. So a lot of people ask, where did all this come from? So that's what we're trying to attempt to answer today. Like, where did all this come from? Because you realize you can smell, you can eat, you can see, you can hear, you can understand, you can think. Well, my own perspective, thinking is just voices talking. What do you say? That's what he says.
Yeah, no, it's really amazing. Right now, okay, I work at something else. Sorry. Before the activities of the world, all these activities, there is existence. You have to exist in order to be aware of the activities of the world. We complain so much about,
Who made all things to be realized? For me, religion is just people who are trying to show us that there is the existence of God.
We're trying to show us the way.
Yes, and they call it a belief because, well, it's a belief because they've never seen God. Some believe that He's the one who created the world, who created the existence as we see it. Then there's science on the other side who are giving us a different perspective. What do you say about that?
Okay, I don't know.
The way I've heard it, just to support him, is the science people, those who discover. He gave me a theory which is called the Big Bang Theory, which out of the Big Blast. Big Blast. Okay, but the question still remains, whatever blasted, who created that? For me, it came to a belief as Christians or Islam or whoever will say there is a God who created all. Because for me, something that's not alive cannot create something that is alive.
Here's the thing. A lot of people in this planet do believe that God does exist. Because how I check the religion is the God planting in our God fella dirisa mo chelmo. God fella ba believe
Existence.
Yeah, we are talking about existence of a human mind. You understand of guy. Yeah, like we say that how to sing papa mo. We put all like, okay, what is this? Because what really matters right now is that you exist. You are alive. It's the most
significant.
Yes, thing right now that you are alive. But then the question until now, what is this existence? Does it really make sense to your mind? I really go peel like just this. What is this? Like, but then you're alive and then everything else makes sense according to you. Oh, this is my sister. What is my sister? What is me? What is breathing? What is food? What is being hungry? What is all this?
For us to live daily, there must be some energy which keeps us alive, because we don't control everything. I mean, anything can happen to us now while we're talking. I mean, this can fall, because there's nothing you're doing in your life to make sure that you wake up in the morning. There's nothing.
There's nothing.
That's why even on earth, they had to call it last night because they thought it was the last night
Yes.
that
Oh,
you are
yeah.
alive. You can set your alarm, you can do that, but it's not you who decide whether you wake up or not. So for me, it's grace. I think I've preached.
Yeah. Now we're gonna be talking about sleep.
Uh-huh.
You know, whether you are rich, whether you are sleeping on a very expensive king bed, or whether you are sleeping with your cardboard there in the street, it's all the same.
It's just
You know,
sleep.
it's just the same. And then we wake up to the same existence experience.
They say Lazarus was dead, and
Yeah.
Jesus said, no,
He's asleep.
Lazarus is asleep. That's a state whereby your body cannot do anything with other people, but your consciousness is still there. So the dead moment where you are dead, it's like you can dream of things, but you cannot plan things and do things with people. So you cannot be productive.
I would suggest that we are just the same. You know, we are just the same, and then being rich or being poor is just one of the concepts of this world. How we want to look at things and how the system wants us to look at everything the way we look at it. You should just appreciate the fact that we are alive. It's beautiful. Try to see from who you really are. Or if I get to wow saying, Kibona jwang? You know, do you see the world the way the world taught you how to see it? Or do you see the world or existence the way you see it?
The world is trying by all means to try to shift the gift of life, which is the existence, into the money. Like if you don't have the money, then you are not worth of being alive. But the people are refusing, because even if you can arrest him, a life sentence, he still wants to live. Even if they are suffering in the ghetto, they still want to live. So there's nothing they can do to stop the existence, because the existence is just from the gods who created all.
Mohlomong re ke se utlwisise hore existence ke eng ho ya ka kutlwisiso e tibileng ya botho, empa fela hore re teng. How beautiful this is.
I had to change my name. Easy peasy, I had to change the game. Had to free the Jim Jam to change the stage. Busy peasy, I had to join them all just to free the Jim Jam. Probably wonder why.